Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust VSync on NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. To do it, you need to go to the NVIDIA Control Panel by right-clicking on Home on the desktop, then finding NVIDIA Control Panel. Now it should open this app that I have right here, and we can go to Manage 3D Settings. Then, depending on whether or not you want to adjust it for all of the apps or for a certain program, you can go to either Global or Program Settings. Then in Program you can also set which program to set it for, and you should see the vertical sync here. You can click on it to change it, and you can set it to use the 3D application setting, so the application will decide itself, and you can sometimes adjust it within the application. You can also set it to off, on, adaptive half refresh rate, or fast. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Remember, if you change the setting, there will be a button to apply it, and if you don't click on it, it'll just not save the settings, so remember to apply the settings after changing them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.